Today we're going to study cytotoxic drugs, and I'm really excited because now we're studying drugs that will destroy cells, because usually we're just trying to repair the cells. So what cytotoxic drugs do, they destroy the cells. And why are we going to destroy the cells? Because to treat malignant diseases like cancer and stuff like that, like we say a normal cell in 1 minute, just for example, is going to divide into 2, but a cancerous malignant cell in 1 minute it can divide into 4 or 6 cells, and it's just going to keep on dividing rapidly, and we need to stop it and just destroy it, put a stop to it. Now in a cell is going to undergo different phases, and these phases we can term them as a cell cycle. Now we can look into the phases. First phase is known as G1, and what happens during this phase, that different enzymes are going to be formed in this phase. Now in the second phase is known as S phase, and DNA synthesis is going to take place. Now in the third phase is G2 phase, and during this phase synthesis of protein is going to take place. And in the fourth phase is M phase, and what happens in here is cell division or mitosis is going to take place. So we have the G1 phase, enzyme synthesis, the S phase, DNA synthesis, the G2 phase is the protein synthesis, and the M phase is going to be the cell division. Now we have two types of cytotoxic drugs. Cytotoxic drugs are going to be divided into two main groups. It's going to be cell cycle non-specific drugs and cell cycle specific drugs. So cell cycle non-specific drugs, as the name indicates, is going to act on both the dividing cells and the resting cells. It's just going to go in there and it's going to destroy everything. And the cell cycle specific drugs is only going to act on the dividing cells. It won't say anything to the resting cells. It won't even care about them. So it's only going to act on the dividing cells. Now the drug that we have